Smile. Flying kiss. Flying kiss. You're beautiful.
Dapat dyan nagbantay dito. Gani.
Baso, balibos, likod tanay kaysa. Her favorite color is pink, and her ambition is to become a nurse someday. Ladies and gentlemen, our 11th princess, Marjorie R. Francis. He is from Quezon Child Development Center. His favorite color is blue, and his ambition is to become a police someday. Ladies and gentlemen, the son of Mr. and Mrs. Mariel Ramos Francas, Marjorie R. Francas from Quezon Child Development Center. Our 10th princess, Miss Maria Apena P. Pacuñas from Quezon Child Development Center. Her age is 3-year-old. Her parents are Mr. and Mrs. His favorite color is blue, and her ambition is to become a seaman someday. Ladies and gentlemen, our 9th prince from Bonifacio Child Development Center, Prince Tyrone A. Clerico. And our 9th princess, Maria Eunice Abigail N. His favorite color is blue, and his ambition is to become a policeman, police someday. Ladies and gentlemen, our prince, Brizon Nino Sala from New York, Pedro Child Development Center. And our 8th princess, are Mr. and Mrs. Darwin Kayesa. His favorite color is red, and his ambition is to become an engineer. Ladies and gentlemen, our 7th prince, Ruhan Bal Jenner and Kayesa from Quezon Child Development Center. Our 7th prince, Ricachel Catania F. Napuli from Quezon Child Development Center. She is 4-year-old. Her parents are Mr. and Mrs. Joey and Richmond Napuli. His favorite color is pink, and her ambition is to become a nurse someday. Ladies and gentlemen, our 7th princess, Ricachel Catania F. Napuli from Quezon Child Development Center. Palakpakan natin sila duha. Mr. and Mrs. Mary Grace Salas. His favorite color is blue, and his ambition is to become a seaman someday. Ladies and gentlemen, our little king of hearts 2021, King Dylan Roxy Salas from Anuma Child Development Center, and our little queen of hearts 2025, Chihaya Estrada Arande from Anuma CDC. She is 5-year-old. Richie Arande, her favorite color is pink, and her ambitions to become a nurse someday. Please stand up to salute our little king and queen 2025, King Devin Rose Isalas and Queen Jehaya A. Arande. Balik, turn out, balik. Palakpakan nato ang atong hari o ang atong reyna karong hapuna, mga soon. Okay. And now, akong tawagon ang atong little king and queen sa inyo. Pagsaludo sa ato king and queen 2020. Okay.